Guys, how are you? So we are given this question. This is under mensuration, and it's saying in the diagram below, MN is an arc of a circle whose center is O and the radius is 21 centimeters. We are also given the angle MON as 120, and we are asked to calculate the area of the sector MON without using a calculator, and this is paper 1. So how can you calculate the area? First, you need to know the formula for calculating area. That's very important. Okay, that's very important. So this is the formula. Formula is area is equals to theta over 360 times pi r squared. Okay, pi r squared. This is the formula. So it's just a matter of substituting. Where there is theta there, you substitute with the 120. So I'm going to say 120 degrees over 360 degrees multiplied by pi is 22 over 7. We are given there. Then radius is 21 squared. So just write 21 times 21. Okay, 21 times 21. Now, why doing this? Why writing 21 times 21 and not 21 squared? Because this is paper 1. We're not using a calculator. So you need to make sure you make it simple. That's the rule of mathematics paper 1. Make it as easy as possible so that you don't struggle with big numbers. Are we together? Okay, let's now proceed. Now, 120 into 120, it goes there 120 into 360 3 times. Okay, it goes there 3 times. Okay, now we are just reducing. That's the rule of this question. 7 into 7, 1. 7 into 21, 3. Okay, and we have this 3. So this 3 and this 3 cancel. Okay, so we are just remaining with, on the numerator we have 1 times 22 times, this is just 1 here, but just write 21 so that you don't get confused. Then on the denominator we are remaining with nothing. Yeah, we're just remaining with nothing, just 1. So we're just remaining with 1. So in other words, we just have 22 times 21. Okay, 22 times 21. Okay, so to some of you, you may be you may find it difficult to calculate 22 times 21 the way I've written it here. So what you do, you can just write it like, you can just write like this as 22 times 21. Okay, multiply 1 times 2 is just what? 2. 1 times 2, 2. Then you come to 2. 2 times 2, 4. You write down here 4. 2 times 2, 4. Okay, then you add. Let's value here, even here. Okay, so what you are having is 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 0 plus 4 is 4. So for the answer here is 22 times 21 is 462. 462. Okay, now the units, this is area and it's in centimeters. It will be centimeters squared, and this is the answer. You come and write it down here where we're supposed to write answer here. Okay, Z4 is on B, so it's down here. That's what we're going to write. So I'm just showing you where to write your final answer. Like for here, 462 cubic centimeters squared. Okay, simple.